Well, hello, everyone. So sometimes it comes up that you want to ask a question and you don't want to ask it in front of the whole group and raise your hand and wave around. You can use the chat feature down on the lower edge of your computer screen. If you click there, a box will come up and you'll see that you have the option of asking everyone the question or asking it directly to one person. So if you want to be really private, you can click on the instructor's name and type in your chat. Or if you have a question that you would like everyone to see, go ahead and make it to everyone, and then everyone can share the knowledge.
Just because it's your first class, it's not ours. So go ahead and ask us anything, because we can probably help you with all the newbie questions.
Excellent. So there might be a time in your class when you have a question, a specific question that you want to ask the teacher, and a quiet hand wave in the background is not going to be noticed by the teacher. So instead of unmuting and interrupting the teacher and asking your question in front of the class, another way is to get right up in front of your camera with jazz hands. By waving like this, your teacher will certainly see what's going on, recognize that you have a question, and address your question and help you. We all love to teach. We're here for you. Let's have fun together and make some magic.
So sometimes in class when we have a question, but the teacher is talking, we don't want to interrupt the teacher and speak over her. There's a little reaction button down below that has a raised hand. You can do a thumbs up. You can do a happy face. There's all kinds of little reactions down here. So if you raise your hand, your teacher is going to see that.
And remember, we want to make sure that you have a fabulous experience in the class.
Do you have a friend who lives just too far away for you to take quilting classes together? Zoom has a fix for that. Go to globalquiltconnection.com and look up the teachers who offer on-demand classes. Sign her up, sign him up. All of you get together on Zoom and have a fabulous time anywhere around the world.